I figured out how to make some homemade muffin liners. Every muffin liner I buy, everything sticks to it. So I'm going to make my own using parchment paper. Cut the pieces into about 7 inches by 5 or 6 inches. Actually, you can do square, 7 by 7. It's easier and better. And then just fit it into your pan. Fast, easy, and cost efficient. So how to make the shape of my muffin pan? Very easy. I just took the muffin pan and dropped little water in each cup, as you see me do it here. Then I took the paper. I took a small glass that fits into my muffin pan and just squeeze a little bit and move it around, squish it so the paper gets wet and it will take the shape of the inside of your muffin tin. That's it, very simple. And once I used 3 glasses to hold it in place a little bit longer. And once you did all of them, then you can remove the glasses and let them dry. And it will take the shape of the pan. Once they are dry, you can save them for later or you can use them right away. I hope you liked today's tip. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.